Hello guys, once again welcome to Achimota Farms, and my name is Fred. If today is the first time you're watching any video from us, I want to welcome you into the Achimota family. Here on this channel, I talk about innovative way of farming in Africa, and I share with you my mistakes and my success, so that in case you're thinking about going into the agricultural industry, you will have some information to build on and not repeat the same mistake that I did. Because a couple of years ago, when I wanted to go into cattle farm, I realized that there was nothing online that I could learn from and build on it. And that's why we started this channel. So if this is a content that you would like to learn more or see more of, then please go ahead and hit that subscription button below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I release any video relating to agriculture or innovative way of farming in Africa, you will be notified and can come and watch. So thank you guys for being a supportive of this channel and for sticking around for this video. As you guys can see, there is a pole behind me. And just to give you guys a little bit of context, I have been away from the farm for over 6 months doing some family stuff in the US. And whilst I was there, I got an information that the government of Ghana is actually giving farms that are a little bit out of town solar panels. Once I had that information, I made my team recorded everything that they can get, including contacts on the pole, and send it to me. I shared that information with you, and if you guys haven't watched that video, I'm linking it above here for you guys to go and watch it. But if you have, then this is sort of a follow-up video, because now I am here in Ghana and on the farms, and therefore decided to bring you this video, because I was very surprised when I released a video about what is happening here at my farm. Guys, just once again, all what I can do is to share with you guys what I'm experiencing, either it being a mistake or it being, a success, so that you guys have that information. And I don't really screen to say, I'm going to record this because this is going to get views or this is not going to get views. I basically record because you never know when you're going to get it. There are some videos that we do, or I personally do, that doesn't get any views, right? It gets maybe 1,000 views or something. It doesn't matter. Somebody out there is learning, right? Or you don't know when, at what time in your life you're going to need that information, or in what time in your project stage that you're going to need information. So please allow me to share the information that I have with you, because that's all what I can. I can't share with you something that I don't know. I'm saying this because when I shared the video about what is happening in the farm concerning solar system, most of you came back attacking me that you called the number, it didn't work, or you called the number and whatever happened, it didn't go through, and so on and so forth. I didn't invent that number, and as you guys can see from the video, that number was on the pole. Those were the materials that they have submitted to the farm, and that number was just a sticker on the pole. So I took it directly from there and shared it with you guys. If you have success from that, my job is done. If you don't have success from there, that's what I had, and that's all what I can share. But today I am here at the farm, and I want to show you guys, right? Because I know most of you even doubted that what I was telling you was real. And as you can see right behind me, it's a solar panel, and I literally just arrived at the farm today. I got to Accra last week, I rested, and this weekend I drove all the way to the farm. And as you guys can see, this is the first time I'm also seeing it. There are actually 4 solar panel systems here at the farm. There is one there. Let me flip my camera and be able to show you guys the second one. So that's the poultry farm. That's the second one. And right there is a third one as well. The fourth one is at the back there, and I'm going to show you guys. But as you guys can see, that's the poultry farm. This is a tricycle. If you haven't watched the video about the 3 things that you need as a beginner farmer, I'm linking it above here. You can watch it as well. But this is the tricycle that I talked about. As you guys can see, it's in use already, ready to pick some eggs to some customers. But basically, this is it, guys. So this is the pole they gave, and you can see that there is also the solar panel and a beautiful light on top of it. So what my team is telling me, that every day at 6 o'clock basically the light will turn on, right, and we will have light here. This is amazing, guys. It's an amazing story. I mean, we didn't pay anything for these poles. They just brought it to us. And I have a friend who actually owns a farm maybe a few meters from here, and he didn't get some. I asked him, and he said they said that his farm is actually closer to the town, and that is why. Oh, good enough. This is the number that I shared with you guys, and that same thing is here, as you guys can see, right? There we go. So the number is still here, and you guys know it says Strategy Security System International Limited for Ghana Cocoa Board. Telephone number is right there, email address is right there, website is right there, and this is the pole. So guys, if you call the number or you go to the website and it doesn't work, then I can be accountable for it. I can only share with you what I see, what I've experienced, and what I have. And that is what we're looking at live today, right? I didn't make this video to talk to you guys about it because I was in the US and I wanted to come and see things for myself before I can share with you guys, right? And this is it. You can see the second one over there and the third one over there. That is exactly what happens, right? This is an amazing project, and I'm loving it. I mean, you all know the benefit of having some sort of visibility at the farm here at night. I tried to buy, you know, what is this called? A transformer, but I realized that it was so expensive, so I had to stop. I thought about solar. It was too expensive for me, right? So I decided to go with the chamfer machine, which basically, I know the chamfer machine is something, anytime I talk about it, you guys ask me how, please contact the WhatsApp number below, and somebody will get in touch with you with a link of where you can buy some and everything. I've tasked my team to do all that work for you. So you guys contact the WhatsApp number if you want the machine that I use to power the entire farm here. But now we have this, which literally gives us light at night at no cost. So again, you know, I say a big kudos to the Ghana government for doing such initiative. And guys, I wanted to share with you that, I mean, everything I was shared with is what I shared with you guys as well. So as I'm on the ground here, there's going to be a lot of update that I'm going to bring to you guys from the farm, because a lot is happening, and you know, I'm just excited to share all of it with you. So you guys stay tuned. It's already getting dark, so that will be it for today. But tomorrow I'm going to be here and share a lot of updates with you guys. So stay tuned. My irrigation project is also ongoing, so I'm going to give you guys more information about it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, because there is more coming. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, don't forget there is always a link in the video. So click on the description. There is a link there. Click on that link. You'll be able to, it will take you to a page where you'll be able to look and find what time that works for you. Click on that time and schedule a time with me where you can talk one-on-one with me, and I can answer any questions that you have. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for another video soon.